Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. You know, we cook a lot of Dutch oven, and over the years we've used a lot of different tools and a lot of things, but as we've gone on and on, I tend to gravitate to just a few things. So we wanted to share what I consider my minimalist Dutch oven toolkit. So we start with a 10-inch Dutch oven for me because that's the size of group that we tend to feed. Start with a 10-inch, then I've just got some tongs so I can move my charcoal on and off. Got a couple of spoons these nest together. So one of these, little spatula, one that's got a little edge. I love that, so I always take that with me. Of course, you want a lid lifter. And then you've got to have something to put that lid on. And finally, when you get to the cleanup stage, we found this little tool from Bare Bones Living. It's just some stainless steel chainmail, and you can use it to get any of the crusties off of your Dutch oven. So it's a terrific tool. And then finally, something that's the right size to put it in. And if you find yourself going to cook for a larger group, just go to your storage and add things to your minimalist box, and you'll be ready to go. We hope that this has been informative for you, and we hope that you'll join us again at OSMEtv.